Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to show how to make a Richie Tozier paper puppet from the all-new Stephen King It movie that came out in 2017. I've made a downloadable template in the video description below. Go ahead and download and print that out if you'd like. You can skip to step 3 or continue and watch me draw and paint Richie. These puppets all started out when I drew a Pennywise dancing clown puppet on my channel, and it got pretty popular, and I got a lot of requests to do a Georgie as well as a Bill, which I've done. Then I got a request to do, I think, Beverly, and then the rest of the Losers Club, which I'm working through slowly, but I'm trying to get them up as soon as possible. So far this is Richie that I have done, and I have left to do, I think, Ben, Stan, Mike, and Eddie. I really enjoyed making this paper puppet. I think this character is really cool. Richie, he's got a funny style to him. He's got the big oversized glasses. He's kind of like the comedian of the group, and as well as it has a tendency to cuss a lot, which I think for me it really makes his character enjoyable. Not to mention he has pretty cool style with his oversized palm tree shirt, his cap, I don't know if they're tan or olive-ish color pants with the tight bottoms, and some slip-on Vans. He also has really thick oversized glasses, I think add to the comedic kind of feel to his character. Really like drawing these little palm trees. They have a cool style to them. Richie is definitely a great friend to have. He's one of Bill's best friends in the movie. Definitely very supportive. At the same time, doesn't really believe in the clown as much, but still tries to support in the search. This is his outfit from the sewer scene, so I had to go through and desanitize it and get some little grunge here and there. Alright, step 3, cut it out. So either you've drawn him or you printed out the template. We're going to go ahead and cut him out. Also, if I didn't already mention, definitely using thicker paper than standard printer paper is best. Make the puppet thicker and easier to cut out as well as to use. Step 4, final assembly. I'm going to poke holes in the neck, arms, and legs, and use some good old bendy pipe art cleaner, or art pipe cleaner, and some scotch tape, and stick everything together. There you go, that's how you make a Richie Tozier paper puppet. Enjoy! Beep, 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 beep.
Beep Richie.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below, let me know what you think. And anyways, hit the bell for notifications if you would like to get updated when I release my newest videos. And until next time, peace.